Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anurag and welcome to my channel. I make videos regarding health, positivity and motivation, but apart from that I also make videos regarding speaking practice for the Occupational English Test. Okay, so if you're here for that, please stay, please subscribe to the channel, and if you're here for the fun content, then yeah, I have other videos and I have posted the link here, so make sure to check out those videos as well. Okay, so yeah, today's lesson or practice session is actually regarding how to use idiomatic speech and how to score more points while talking about exercise. Okay, so as health professionals, whenever you're getting advice, exercise is always there, right? Whenever you talk about conservative management, exercise will always be there. So when we talk about that, I want you and I both to make sure that we score adequate points while doing it elegantly. Okay, so I'm here to help you with that, and make sure to press that subscribe button because I'll be making other of these videos and other fun content as well. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's get into the practice session right now. Practice 1, diabetes. So you mean to say that exercise is a great option for me, right? Yeah, I would love to. Please tell me. Yeah, I suppose it is. So, yeah, I think that's a great option. Practice 2, hypertension. Well, you mean to say that for my condition, hypertension, exercise is a really good option, right? Yeah, yeah, please tell me. I'd love to listen to it. Yeah, well, like you said it, I think it would. Yeah, that's great to hear. Okay, so that was for the practice video. I included examples of diabetes and hypertension only, but you can use the same trick for bronchial asthma and any other conditions, because as health professionals, you know how many times we give advice regarding exercise, right? So yeah, please make sure you use all of these sentences in your speaking, and I hope that you get your desired score in the occupational English test. Alright, so that was it for this video, and I have other fun videos as well which you can check out if you have the free time. If you get tired of speaking, they are there just for you. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because I have a lot of content to be put out for you. So yeah, until we meet for the next time, this is Dr. Anurag, the Life Doc, signing off, saying stay happy, stay positive, and as always, stay strong.